Hey, it's Mark from supplyhouse.com. And in this video, we're gonna unbox this Aprilaire 1850 dehumidifier. The cool thing about these dehumidifiers is that they are secured by these straps, which you can just sort of easily cut off. And then rather than opening a box normally and pulling out a heavy unit, this just kind of comes right off like that. And you have, everything is really secure in this box. You have these styrofoam edging to make sure that nothing gets damaged. And right in front of the unit is the two duct connections. And then right under the unit, we have connected the wire and also some mounting screws and the manuals. So it's very easy to sort of set this up in your home and take it out of the box and have it ready to go.